Welcome training campers. Today, I will share to you a flipbook that you can read online. This is an ECDIS, Loss Prevention Bulletin flipbook, from the Japan P&I Club. This flipbook contains very useful info about the electronic chart display and information system. This flipbook is responsive and supported on every device with auto-adjusting size, and flip pages with touch. Just navigate your mouse, or touch on the arrows shown below to flip the page, or you can use the slider to go directly to your page of choice. As you go through the pages, on Chapter 1, you will learn the functions and overview of the ECDIS. Chapter 2 is about the overview of rules regarding electronic charts. Chapter 3 deals with the differences between the electronic chart system, ECDIS, and electronic chart display and information system. Chapter 4, it focuses on ECDIS familiarization training, as per the STCW regulations. And on Chapter 5, this concentrates on the handling of electronic charts, from the viewpoint of the master and officers. In conclusion, the ECDIS has significantly changed the conventional navigational watch-keeping methods, and may arguably be termed as a navigational watch revolution. However, the master, officers and other bridge team members must understand that trouble will not be far away if they make a single mistake when evaluating the information displayed by the ECDIS, or using the ECDIS without completely understanding its configuration. To read this flipbook, I have attached a link in the description below, for your reference and perusal. So, that's all for now. By the way, campers, please do not forget to subscribe and comment to the channel, for more maritime education and training videos.